all doing fantastic. Not sure what the plan is for today, but I say that every single morning. That's the beauty of this trip. No plans. Just go with the flow. I'm trying to find some coffee because I need the coffee. I need to wake up. Well, I kind of already am. I'm in the ocean, so I'm feeling pretty good. But look at that. Davao del Sur, you are beautiful. Those are the local boys catching their morning breakfast, or lunch or dinner. One of the three. Anyways, the boys are about to hit the road. Try to find breakfast. Local cuisine. We're on our way to find some local cuisine in Santa Maria. Let's do this.
Hello guys.
Oh my god, yes.
Ganito, no?
Oh my goodness. Beef oyster, manakbat, squash, beans, and soup, beef soup. How's the soup? Good. It's red. Oh god. This is my current getup to not get burnt. Because the first day your boy got fried because I was all confident and like, hey, you know what? I can take this, son. I can do this. No, you can't, Bret. You get red. Kyle lent me his sleeves. This is for mostly the hand, because I have a tan line from here to here. It's just red. Was red. It's turning into a tan. So I got these two. Fashion. I'm telling you. New trends. The new wave. Ow, dude. Oh, my body's so on my jacket. Because it's cold. See that? This goes over the face. It protects me about like up to here. I put sunscreen here today, so I'm not burning. Because the helmet goes to like here. But I got this because it matches this. Look at that, look at it. See? Style points, matching. Oh, I forgot to put my earbuds in, shit. Good, let's do it.
Hey,
what's up?
I see you're buying some cherry coke.
Cherry coke, would you like some cherry coke?
No, I'm good. Good morning, ate. Gassing up, I see. Nice one. Yeah, he's here. Yeah. We're about 20k from Melita, so we're headed.
Say it'd be a cool ride just chilling waiting for Kyle because I told him to drone because this place is so sick.
This is awesome, man. Bring it on.
What?
You guys, that was so cool. It's like you're driving through some random coconut jungle in the middle of nowhere heading for like the southeastern tip of Mindanao. The southeastern tip.
We are gonna be, we're at the most southern point.
Tip, southeastern
so
tip.
right below us is Indonesia.
Yes.
Literally.
Yeah.
Got about an hour and a half left to go. So far so good. Bikes are holding up, boys are doing good. Let's do it.
Up on up. Another river. I've experienced this many times in the Philippines. Kaya? Okay lang?
Yeah.
Hey, you just gotta go fast.
Yeah.
Not super fast, but pretty.
Might actually be better going up there.
Yeah, maybe here. I definitely think that's gonna be the route.
Right here.
Yeah. So, this should be interesting.
Just gotta send it.
Yeah, you gotta go this way. Oh, he's going. Oh. Dude, I don't know, Bret. Bret, I might need you to take my bag. What's that? Oh my gosh.
As us Canadians would say, you just gotta freaking send it, bud. That's what me and Kumar just did. Now, Mr. Kulas is up to the challenge. Nah, you're good. You're good. You're good. Just don't let go of your throttle. And if you have to get your feet wet to save you, just get your feet wet. So come like this and then straight through. Yeah, like there and then straight. Yeah, you gotta just go. Okay. Just debating what way's better to take, but we'll see. Send it, bud! You just gotta freaking send it!
Side. What? I need to take on the side. That side, no?
Here. Pass that.
Dad. Maybe I know. There.
Yeah, right there. And then there.
I'm rescuing you to fall down there.
You just send it! Woo! Give her, bud, give her! Go! He was so scared! Oh, it's so funny. Oh my god, that's so funny. Oh. It is pretty intimidating, I'm not gonna lie, because you don't really know how deep the water is in some parts. I'm proud of him. I'm proud of you, Kyle.
Above that deep alone in Apayao, and when I went through it, got to the other side, my bike was flooded for 5 minutes, it wouldn't start, but then it finally kicked out the water.
Yeah, just keep.
Always, yeah.
Woo! Nice, dude.
All right, you hold the GoPro.
All right.
Oh my god. I did like a wave.
That is awesome. That's what these kind of road trips are about. Little experiences like that really just, you know, you don't want to, but you know you have to. So you just jump, you do it, you go for it, and everything's good. Oh, well, they are building a bridge, as you can see. So maybe next time. Maybe next time the bridge will be done. What a day. What a freaking day. Kumar's still laughing.
I love his reaction of his face.
What's that?
I love the reaction of his face.
So funny. Yeah, it's like... Woo!
5.5 years I've been driving Yamaha through stuff like that, and their quote is unstoppable. Sponsor me, for heck's sake!
Sponsor me too!
Woo! Rock and roll, man. the turkeys, man. This is the turkey gas station, Jose Abad Santos. I think we're gonna keep powering on. We'll just grab a snack and. Alright, another river, man. 6:15, sun's going down, but Manong is here. Yes. Selamat Manong. Oh, this will be interesting, man. Oh no, this is gonna be tough, dude. That looks sketchy on the far side.
I got this.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
Okay, dude, if I were you, I'd almost stop in that. I don't know, man.
I'll see what it's like.
Yeah, maybe you gotta walk out first. Oh my god. Dude. Dude. This is gnarly. Check that section first by walking it. No, I mean, but maybe check the depth. Okay. Holy smokes. Okay, we're in the middle of the river. We're gonna make it. Go, Bret. You got this, man. Kumar made it. Think I can do it?
All right, update. This is river round 2. We decided to travel the extra 5 hours. We're gonna get some darkness pretty quick here. So anyways, here goes Kyle. Give her, bud. Yeah, fast day. Oh my God. All right.
Oh my gosh.
Back on the road we go.
I was a submarine. Yeah, nothing, man.
Okay.
Hey, Yamaha, sponsor me.
Us.
Us.
This isn't even a river. This is just like a trench. Trench number 3. And it looks deep. So here we go. You ready?
Good luck, Bret. All right. Sure. Dude, that still went all the way up to like my knees, man. Woo! And we got my Kumar. I'm buying some Sambagan Bulad because we're gonna try that at some point.
Buying blood, Bret?
No, Bulad, not blood.
Blood.
How was the drive, boys?
Blood. Sick.
Yeah, I feel like we're like Navy SEALs.
We're blood bruds now. Getting some blood.
I feel like we're Navy SEAls.
Oh, look at the size of that fly.
Oh, that's
It's a hornet.
bee.
It's a freaking hornet. Look.
Blood.
What is it? I don't know. You're like, no. It's now currently 9 o'clock. The boys, I think, I was gonna say we made it. I'm not sure if we made it, but look what that says. 7-Eleven, that's where we're going. Oh my God. Oh, what a freaking drive. Holy Hannah. I felt like I was like an army mission or something, some Navy SEALs type of shit. God. Oh. I'm so happy that none of us got injured. That's obviously the main focus for any road trip, is to stay safe. So far so good. I probably shouldn't speak too soon because we're not at our destination yet, but we're on our way to 7-Eleven and I could not be happier. Woo! I thought it'd look worse. That was the most intense drive I've ever had in my life. I don't know. What's that? For my vlog, yeah. Subscribe to Echo. Echo see Bret Maverick. Yeah. New subscribers. Hey. Hi guys. Hi, Gobi. So we're where now? Glen?
Glen.
Glam?
Glen, yeah.
Glen or Glam?
Glen.
Glan.
G-L-A-N.
Ah, okay.
It's like, basically it's known for its beaches in Serengani. This is Manny Pacquiao's home province.
But Jensen's Manny Pacquiao's hometown.
Yeah, city, yeah.
We're trying to find food, mission food. Oh, look at that. Pork salad. I gotta get money. Your boy has had no cash for the past freaking 48 hours. Kulas has been sponsoring me. So I gotta get some money, honey. ATM. Okay. I think that's the only one. Welcome to Glen. First time here. What's up, my Glenaleños? Or however you say your names. All right, this is what we got. Whoa. Mission cash success. Where are they? Ahaha! They went and got chicken, I knew it. Manok pinasugbo. What's up?
They only have chicken sisig.
They only have chicken sisig?
We're gonna get a bunch, it looks good.
All they have to offer is chicken sisig, and there's some pork down the street, so that's what we're gonna go for. Manok pinasugbo. What does pinasugbo mean? Alright, f you too, guys. You're gonna walk?
Yeah, I'm gonna walk.
Okay, I'm gonna get something from 7-Eleven. Okay, yeah, alright, I'll be back. Hey, watch where you're going. Sorry. This happens every time I come into 7-Eleven. I never know what I want, but I always walk out with something that I love. Which is what? What is it, Brett? What do you love? Chips? I love chips. Disco lights and baduts everywhere in this country. Hot damn. Alright. We're on our way to find a place to stay. Don't know where that is gonna be, but Saliglang, baby, Saliglang. I honestly think it's about to rain. If it rained during that quest, oh my god, we'd be so screwed. Those trails and tribulations and whatever you want to call it, that whole ride was insane. If it was raining, zero chance we would have made it here. We maybe would have made it tomorrow, but
We would have slept in a random house. Yeah.
actually, that would have happened. We're so lucky that it didn't rain on this trip. Well, I mean, it's gonna rain on the trip again, but like that journey, I mean, sorry, I'm tired. I'm not making sense. Could be. You guys hungry? You want some pastries? One family room for one big family.
I think after that drive, we have become family.
Honestly. Oh Lord. Upstairs, you guys ready to move your legs?
Yeah.
That was a no. Did you say it's weird walking?
Yeah.
It is weird walking.
Legs are strange.
My legs feel like jello. We got a room. Nice and done. My feet feel like soggy mushrooms that have been sitting in the fridge for 10 days. Ugh. Dude, ew, look at my feet. You know when you stay in a hot tub for like way too long?
Yeah, I'm the same.
Oh god. Oh, that's all like shrivelly. Before we go to bed, I just gotta say. We are so lucky. Oh my god. Look at how hard it's raining. We're so lucky. You should just look outside and see how hard the rain is coming down right now. It's not just like raining, it's monsooning. I'm not kidding.
Imagine.
I'm not kidding. It's disgusting outside. We're so lucky. I'll see you guys in the next vlog. God, we're so lucky, man.